Squats are celebrated as the king of all exercises, renowned for their ability to build muscle, burn fat, and sculpt your legs and glutes. But when it comes to determining how many squats you should do daily to achieve significant muscle growth, the answer isn't one size fits all. It depends on several factors, including your current fitness level, your goals, and how your body responds to the exercise. Let's walk through a step-by-step guide to help you figure out the perfect squat routine for muscle building. Step 1. Understand your starting point. Before you dive into a daily squat regimen, it's essential to assess where you are starting. Your current fitness level plays a significant role in determining how many squats you should do. If you're a beginner, starting with 50 squats a day is a reasonable target. It may sound daunting, but breaking it down into smaller sets throughout the day makes it more achievable. If you're more advanced and already comfortable with squats, you might challenge yourself with 100 to 200 squats daily. For seasoned lifters, adding extra weight or exploring more challenging variations can further elevate your routine. Step 2. Gradually increase volume. Success in any fitness regimen is all about progression. You don't need to leap into doing hundreds of squats daily right away. Start with a manageable number and gradually increase the volume over time. In the first couple of weeks, focus on getting comfortable with 50 squats daily, emphasizing proper form and consistency. As you build strength and confidence, increase your squats to 75 a day during the next 2 weeks. If this feels too easy, consider adding some weight to increase the intensity. By weeks 5 and 6, you should aim for 100 squats daily, incorporating different squat variations to target various muscle groups. By the 7th and 8th weeks, you could be doing between 150 and 200 squats a day, with the option to add jump squats for a cardio boost if you're feeling particularly ambitious. Step 3. Explore squat variations. Variety is crucial in any workout routine to prevent muscle imbalances and to keep things interesting. Sticking to just one type of squat can lead to stagnation, whereas mixing up your routine with different squat variations can target a wider range of muscles and prevent boredom. Goblet squats, for example, involve holding a dumbbell or kettlebell close to your chest, adding extra resistance to your workout. Bulgarian split squats, where one foot is elevated behind you, isolate each leg and can help correct imbalances. Sumo squats, with feet positioned wider than shoulder width, target the inner thighs, while jump squats add a plyometric element to your routine, boosting both strength and cardiovascular fitness. Step 4. Don't forget recovery. While it's tempting to push yourself every day, recovery is just as important as the workout itself. Overtraining can lead to burnout or injury, setting you back in your progress. Your muscles need time to repair and grow, which happens during rest, not during the workout. Incorporating at least 1 or 2 rest days per week is crucial. Along with rest, stretching after your workouts can improve flexibility and reduce soreness, helping you stay ready for your next squat session. Nutrition also plays a vital role in recovery. Make sure you're fueling your body with protein-rich foods and staying hydrated, as these provide the necessary nutrients for muscle repair and growth. Step 5. Track your results. Consistency is key, but so is tracking your progress. Results don't happen overnight, but they will happen if you stick with it. Keeping a log of your workouts, taking weekly progress photos, and measuring your thighs and glutes can help you monitor how your body is changing. This not only helps you stay motivated, but also allows you to adjust your routine as needed to keep progressing. Celebrate every bit of progress, whether it's hitting a new personal best or simply maintaining your routine. These small wins will keep you moving forward and motivated to stick with your squat regimen. So, how many squats should you do daily to build muscle? The answer depends on where you're starting and how your body responds. Start with a number that feels right for you and gradually increase it over time, incorporating variations and intensity as you go. Squats are a powerful tool in your muscle building arsenal, and with dedication and consistency, you'll see the results. Stay committed, keep squatting, and watch your body transform as you work towards stronger, more sculpted legs and glutes. And while squats are fantastic for lower body strength, don't forget that building a balanced physique requires attention to your upper body as well. If you're curious about how push-ups can help you build muscle and want to know how many you should be doing daily, be sure to check out our video on how many push-ups should you do a day to build muscle, backed up by latest research studies. It's packed with insights that will complement your squat routine perfectly.